There is a kind of tired that sleep does not fix. The tired of waking up to a life you did not choose and a version of yourself you do not respect. And the strange part is, nothing is technically wrong. There was no disaster. It just drifted here so quietly that you stopped noticing. You are not broken, and you are not lazy. You are stuck inside a pattern that turned invisible. And in the next 4 minutes, I am going to show you how to break it in 21 days. Not with motivation. Motivation is part of the reason you were stuck. Here is what almost nobody tells you. People do not wreck their lives in one big dramatic moment. They do it in tiny ones. One skipped workout becomes a month on the couch. One late night becomes a sleep schedule that runs your whole mood. One small compromise becomes 100. None of them feel important. That is exactly why they work. The damage hides inside days that all look the same. So you wait. You promise yourself that next week you will finally lock in. But the version of you who fixes everything later is the same version sitting here right now, still waiting. So why can you see the problem this clearly and still not move? Because somewhere along the way you were taught that change starts with feeling motivated. It does not. Motivation shows up after you start, never before. You are waiting for a feeling that only comes once you are already moving. Then you call yourself lazy. It is not laziness. Your brain is doing exactly what it was built to do. Keep you doing whatever you did yesterday. Yesterday is safe. Yesterday is known. You are wired to protect the pattern, even while it quietly destroys you. Now forget everything you have heard about 21 days building a new habit. That is a myth, and it is not what these days are for. These 21 days are not about becoming a perfect person. They are about one thing only, proving to yourself that your life is not set in stone. Right now, you are carrying years of evidence that says you never follow through, that you always quit, that this is just who you are. 21 days is the shortest stretch of time long enough to break that story. You are not building a habit. You are collecting proof. And here is where almost everyone gets it wrong. They try to change everything at once. New diet, new gym, new sleep, all starting Monday. And by Wednesday, it collapses, and they decide they are the problem. Do the exact opposite. Pick the one area that is bleeding the most, only one, and shrink the fix until it is almost embarrassingly small. Not an hour at the gym, 10 minutes. Not a perfect diet. One honest meal. Make it so small that failing is harder than just doing it. Because every day you keep that tiny promise, you are not just doing a task. You are slowly becoming someone who keeps their word. And stop leaning on willpower to carry you, because willpower is gone by the afternoon. Change what is around you instead. Delete the app. Put the thing you want to avoid out of reach, and the thing you want to do right in your path. Make the better choice the easy one, because the easy one is the one you will actually make. And you have to be honest with yourself about what is really at stake, because these 21 days are going to pass either way. 3 weeks from now, you will exist no matter what you do. Only real question is whether you get there as the same person making the same excuses, or as living proof that you can change. Most people will hear every word of this, feel something for a moment, then close the screen and change nothing. Tomorrow will look exactly like today. A year from now, they will be saying the same things they said a year ago. Do not be that person. But fixing your body and your habits is only half of it. You can win every morning, build the discipline, fix the sleep, and still walk into a room and disappear. Still be the man everyone likes and nobody actually respects. Because how you speak to people is the quiet pattern that decides almost everything you want. The money, the relationships, the respect. And no one ever shows you how it truly works. That is what I built next. Pillar 01, the Conversation Mastery Blueprint. 13 pages. Free. Linked below. Fix the inside in these 21 days. Then go fix the way the world responds to you. Access the archive.